Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to upload CapCut videos to TikTok. So if you want to directly upload your CapCut videos to TikTok, then you're onto the right guide. So the first thing that you need to do is to head onto the editor and prepare the video that you want to upload. And as you can see, I have one already in here. And if you're done editing this, the next thing that you need to do is just simply to export this. So you should be able to find the one here onto the upper part corner of the screen that says export. Just simply click onto that. And then you could also change the title, file folder for that, the resolution, bitrate, codec, format, and frame rate for this one. And right after that, you could also run a copyright check for this one. So once done, just go ahead and simply export the video. And right after that, as you can see, since this one is already automatically saved to our desktop onto the folder specified earlier, there is an option for us to directly share this to TikTok. So there is a TikTok option in here, also YouTube. So what you need to do, you'll just need to go ahead and simply sign in, click onto the sign in button, and it will go ahead and redirect you to your browser to log in onto your TikTok account. So it should show you an option to authorize this, like this, that says authorize with TikTok. Just go ahead and give it access and then just click on to continue to go ahead and automatically share this onto your TikTok account. So as you can see, it shows already success and you're already signed in. So you could head back onto CapCut for this, and then you could go ahead and automatically share this onto your TikTok account. And that is just basically it, how you upload CapCut videos to TikTok. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.